Hello everyone, now we are discussing chapter name locus and this is the first sum in the exercise. So we will see how to solve this problem. Find the equation of locus of a point which is at a distance phi from the point. So we have to do the sum like this. Given point A is equal to 4 comma minus 3. So let us assume the point P as x comma y. So this is the point which is on the locus, is on locus. So here it is given in the question that the distance from point P to A is 5 centimeters or 5 units. So what is PA? PA is distance between P and A. So we have to do squaring on both sides. Then we will get PA whole square is equal to 5 square. So what is distance formula? Under root, what is distance between P and point A? X minus 4 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 5 square. It is 25. The square and root will cancel. Now you have to expand this. X square minus 2 into x into 4 plus 4 square plus y square plus 2 into y into 3 plus 3 square 9 is equal to 25. So writing all, x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y plus 4 square is 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. So here x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y plus 25. So taking this term this side, x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of locus. Therefore, this is the required equation. So this is the second sum in the exercise. So read the question. Find the equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from the two given points. So let us consider Px comma y be it any point on the locus. So given A is minus 3 comma 2 and B is 0 comma 4. So the given geometrical condition is PA is equal to PB. So squaring on both sides. PA square is equal to PB square. So PA is nothing but distance. You have to find out the distance between P and A. So x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to distance between P and point B. X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Square and root will get cancelled. So expanding the terms on both the sides, you will get x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square plus y square minus 2 into y into 2 plus 2 square is 4 is equal to x square plus y square minus 2 into y into 4 plus 4 square. So here x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to x square plus y square minus 8y plus 16. So here x square will get cancelled because they are on opposite sides of equality symbol. So y square will cancel. So taking all the terms onto single side, so 6x minus 4y plus 9 plus 4 is 13. Taking minus 8y this side, we will get plus 8y minus 16 is equal to 0. So here 6x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore this is the required equation of the locus. This is the third sum in the exercise. Find the equation of locus of P such that the distance of P from the origin is twice the distance of P from point A. So the two given points are origin 0, 0 and point A, which is 1, 2. So these are the 2 points. So let us consider Px, y. It is any point on the locus. So the given condition is OP is equal to 2 into PA. So applying squaring on both sides, we will get OP square is equal to 4PA square. So find out the distance between O and P. So it is the distance from origin. So we will get x square plus y square under root whole square is equal to 4 into PA. Distance from P to A. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. This is under root and we have also square. So square and root will get cancelled. So here we will have x square plus y square is equal to 4 into x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 plus 4. So this is just expanding a minus b whole square. So here taking all the terms to a single side, we will get 3x square plus 3y square minus 8x minus 16y plus 20 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of locus. This is the fourth sum in the exercise. Find the equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from the coordinate axis. So let us consider the point which is on the locus as Px, y. So what is distance from x-axis? We have a formula, that is distance from x-axis is nothing but y coordinate. Okay, y coordinate in the point P. Okay, what is the distance of the point from y-axis? Y-axis is nothing but x. So in the question it is given that it is equidistant. That means they are equal. So y is equal to x. So here after applying squaring on both sides, we will get y square is equal to x square. So x square minus y square is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of locus. This is the fifth question in the exercise. Find the equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from point A 2, 0 and y-axis. So the distance from PA is equal to distance from P to y-axis. So we know that distance from y-axis is always x. Distance from y-axis is x. So for this, applying squaring on both sides, we get PA square is equal to PY square. So what is distance between P and A? So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. This is distance formula. We have square. So Py. What is Py? Distance from y-axis is nothing but x. So x whole square. Square and root will get cancelled. We have x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square 4 plus y square is equal to x square. So x square will get cancelled. Then we will have y square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So therefore this is the required equation of locus. This is the sixth sum in the exercise. So find the equation of locus of a point such that the square of whose distance from origin, that means the distance from origin and its square, is equal to 4 times its y coordinate, that means 4 into y, because the y coordinate in the point x comma y is y. So here we have x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, which is under root, and whole square is equal to 4y. So just square and root will get cancelled. We have x square plus y square is equal to 4y. So x square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. So therefore this is the required equation of locus. This is the seventh question in the exercise. So let us consider a point Px comma y be any point on locus. So the given condition here is Pa square plus Pb square is equal to 2c square. Just substituting here is enough. So what is Px comma y? What is a? A comma 0. So what is the distance from Pa? X minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square under root whole square plus distance from Pb, x plus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 2 into c square. C is nothing but a constant. So square and root will get cancelled, and expanding we will get x square minus 2ax plus a square plus y square, and here we will get x square plus 2ax plus a square plus y square is equal to 2c square. Minus 2ax plus 2ax will get cancelled. Here 2x squares we have, and we have 2y squares, and we have 2a squares, and taking this 2c square this side, take 2 common and send that side. X square plus y square plus a square minus c square is equal to 0. So x square plus y square is equal to c square minus a square. This is the required equation of locus.